We are starting the day at the Peak Tram to get up to Victoria Peak. Pro tip, come early to this. The lines get long in the afternoon. We're here at about 10 a.m. and there's no line. It costs about 90 Hong Kong dollars to get up there, but it's really cool. Check it out. Definitely gives you a workout on the back of your neck. You can go to the peak, or you can come to this beautiful little pagoda and get a view.
Está Fedri. Aquí la gente se puede tomar Fedri para cruzar a todos lados.
What do you think, Dylan?
Awesome. Beautiful.
Awesome view. If you buy a ticket for the tram, you get up to the peak as well. Just don't lose your ticket like my nephew did. They still let him up here. If you hike up here, you don't have to spend the money. There's plenty of view spots and a walkway. This is the tram that brings you up. And then this little house here is pretty cool. There's somebody eating their lunch down there. Quite a view. Coming to the peak is required viewing if you come to Hong Kong. This is my second time here and it's just as amazing. We wandered into a kind of a rugby exhibition or something. I've only been to Big Wave Bay, so this is a new cool bus ride, right? Yeah. Tired? Want to go sit on the beach or eat first? Eat. Eat. Okay. My mother is crazy.
I'm not as scared about me.
She just loves getting into trouble. Say hello.
Hello.
No, I just don't have to know.
Grandma's going in the water and you're not?
Put your feet in the water.
Go put your feet in the water. It's a beautiful day out on the beach. You've got bikini models taking pictures. You got people with their dogs swimming in the ocean. It's awesome, and we're gonna go for a dip. Oh, careful! Don't fall in! Oh, there's nothing worse than wet jeans, man. It's only about repairing cars, and beyond that's a puppy dog place.
This is Peruvian.
From Peru?
Muchacha. Oh my goodness. Funky fresh.
It's just interesting.
You want one?
transfer if you want the wings. But it's never gonna happen. Never.
Well-being.
Yeah.